Hi there, Natalie with you today to show you what is coming in the Wild at Heart kit from Citrus Twist Kids coming July 1st. And as always, you're gonna get a presentation card that says Wild at Heart, always be brave, and Wild at Heart. So I'm gonna start just showing you what's coming in the kit. I've already taken it out of the package just to making it easier for me to show you. And of course, you're gonna get an envelope. Let's just start with the papers. The selection of papers, you know, they're exclusive. You're gonna get this orangey, kind of peachy tones. Beautiful typewriter font. This one here that has all the collage papers already, and it says, "Oh, to be young and wild at heart." So I'm sure that's easy for you to use in your Life Crafted album or whichever format of documenting you use. This beautiful black and white, kind of a floral branches, stripes, lots of very summery, I want to say even fall colors. This beautiful blue with yellow print inside of it. This picture here of the sea, kind of distressed, and I know Trina used a lot of her photography to inspire the kid this month from a trip that she took last year. Then you have a tone-on-tone pink stripe paper. Again, another floral, beautiful colors. It's a very colorful and vibrant palette this month. Then you're gonna have a gray plaid, and you're gonna get a tone-on-tone. This one has these little hearts, and then you're gonna get some leaves. So those are the 12 papers that come included, 6x8. They're only one-sided. Now, you're also gonna get this month's cards. Let's start with the 3x8 card, which matches the paper, 1, 2, 3, and then the other side it says, "She is a wild child with a gypsy soul that dances with the stars." So 3x8 insert. You're gonna get a select 2 4x6 cards, and then you have the same strap as in the paper with some heart. Loving these memories, having the best time together. And Wild at Heart, you need to add your picture if you do a 4x6, and then you have a presentation card or a title card. You're gonna get a selection of labels that have the palette of this month's kit. Then the selection of cards this month, there's Love, Love, Love with all the colors that come in the kit, and the other side it has Taking Care of Me. Then again, you have the same florals but on a tone and tone, sorry, leaves on a tone and tone. Go forth and be fierce. Then again, you have, I'm gonna say kind of oranges or peaches. Reasons to Smile. I put it like that. Again, the same stripe with all the colors. Ready for a new beginning, place, feeling, view, look. Then you have a bullet. 1, 2, 3. Do your thing. Make dreams happen in this really vibrant, I'm gonna say it's like blueprint, kind of purple tone. And then you have just you already has the capture moments, kind of stamped image. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. Again, the same leaves that you have here. Put it like that. I just don't want to look back one day and think I could have eaten that. Perfect for all the food that we've been eating lately. Having a nice day. You're allowed to be both a masterpiece and a work in progress simultaneously. So again, beautiful florals. So much you can do with that. Again, you're gonna get a selection of chipboard with the color palette that we're using. She was a wild one, stomping where others tiptoed. So lots of speech bubbles, there's some arrows, there's some tabs, little phrase stickers, chipboard. You're also gonna get our alpha, and this is a very popular font, but this time we already got it in teal, pink, and gold. This time it's in black, which is perfect because there's pops of black on this kit. I'm gonna put it here. You're also gonna get our tiny alphabet, which is a typewriter print, and this one is in yellow. So this is little block stickers that are actually perfect to create titles or add them on your pictures, and they're tiny. So I'm just gonna pull one out to show you. Okay, so you're gonna get that. That's part of your kit too this month. Put it back without destroying it. Perfect. The stamp for this month is it says Wild Thing, all heart, into the wild, so you, wonderfully chaotic, pure magic, So a lot of sentiments that you can add to your projects regardless of the format you use. And you're gonna get a selection of enamel dots, and you can purchase more in the shop if you want to. I know that a lot of people were looking forward to enamel dots, so there you go. These are available with this kit. You're also gonna get a pack of ephemera. Again, this is exclusive. This was from Caitlin created half of this, and I think also Trina had something to do with this one. So I'm just gonna put here what it comes in it, and I'm gonna show you a few of them. So you have arrows, just this, my happy place, this, you have little phrase stickers, and you're gonna have more tabs and little frames for your pictures. You're gonna have some florals, because little journaling spots. These big numbers, there's 1, 2, and 3 if I'm not mistaken in this kit. 1, 2, and 2. I'm just trying to find the one. I know it's here somewhere. There's Dream Chaser. There's 1, 2, and 3. I don't know if you can see it there. Dream Chaser. There's lots of. I know this one came from a picture that Trina had. So ice cream makes you happy. Here comes the sun. So very, I'm gonna say it's not to summer, but also to the fall. Everyday documenting in whichever format you choose to create, especially if you use our Life Crafted albums. There's some wood pieces, just the pictures of them. So I'm just gonna find a few of them here. So that is what is included in your physical kit. You will get that envelope every month. Now you can also, if you are a subscriber to our kit, you also have access to our bonus Project Life cards. This is 4 cards. That's if they are exclusive to subscribers. So these are the 4 that you will get in this month's kit. And you also get access to the printable elements. I know that these are for sale too after you can buy them separately, but if you're a subscriber you will get them for free, plus a selection of CAD files that you can use for your documenting. So this is what is included in this month's Life Crafted Wild at Heart kit. Now there's a few things that I want to show you that are also available at the shop, and these are coordinating stamps. This is the Traveler's Notebook stamp, and again, you get me while you make everything groovy, untamed, crazy. So a lot of sentences that can help you document your everyday. Again, it's all types of format. These little boxes are great inside a picture. And you're also gonna get that This Is Life Wild at Heart. Again, those leaves that you've seen in all the branches that you've seen in the papers. Not to a tropical theme. So I'm gonna say more. I'm gonna say like works for the summer, and works for a lot of plant ladies will love this. Here I am. This is us, Wild at Heart. Love these people. Again, you can create your own cards. There's examples at the back of what you can do with it. You can create your Project Life card. You can create a wreath. So much as always that you can do with the stamps. And as also what we're offering this month is our digital tags, and you can find them. These are available for purchase. And then you have extra tags. You have some tickets. You have some tabs. Things that are going to help you stretch your kit. And also we have our digital TN papers. Sorry, this is here. We have a selection of 10 papers. These are just papers that coordinate with our kit. And these are extra. These are digital. They just gotta print and are ready to go. And again, you can add your pictures. They're already pre-made for you. So all you have to do is maybe add your picture, your lines of journal, and you're good to go. And these are like, again, you're gonna see that they coordinate with the kits. So again, these are extras that you can find at our shop, and I cannot wait to see what you create with all of this. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you soon. Take care, guys.